It's Nia V, Braider one slaying these hoes, soft like a knotless, all the way to the toes. Nia do it better, but you hoes knew that though. Go ahead and subscribe. What y'all waiting for? Good morning. It's your girl Nia Leanna back again with another video, and today is going to be a little vloggy vlog.
I teach you.
Yeah, girl. We don't have much on the agenda today, but I did want to vlog the process because I have a lot of people asking about my braid stand, and no, I'm not gonna give y'all the rundown again on how we make it, but I'm just gonna let y'all see the process of like going to the store, getting the supplies and stuff like that. Unless y'all want a video of us making them again, because we do make them differently now. So if y'all want a video of that, just let me know and we can get it posted. But anyways, on the agenda for today, we are going to Home Depot, and then we are going to the shop, and then we are going to make the braid stand. And I'm also going to be recording another video today for you guys, which is going to be the tour of my salon suite. So make sure those post notifications are on, and I will see y'all when we get to the store.
She the law, and she know I'm the ball, and she know I get high, ain't above the law.
I'm just be like, I don't know. It's Nia Leanna. Yeah, I do. I'm Nikki the Ninja, Nikki the Boss, Nikki the Original Barbie. And that's how we're ending off this vlog. See y'all next time. Bye.